Every week, more and more people are packing up and moving to Portugal. Some are chasing sunshine, some are looking for the chilled out vibes, and some just want the beach lifestyle. I've been here for over 7 years now, and I know why people are moving to Portugal. I've made this video today to go through that exact question. Why are people moving to Portugal? Let's start with the most obvious reason: lifestyle. Things are slower in Portugal. You wake up, go and have a coffee, everything seems a lot slower and a lot easier to deal with. There's less stress, there's less cars on the road, plus people want to be closer to the beaches, beautiful hiking trails, being able to go out on the bikes and have that real perfect lifestyle. The weather helps too, with over 300 days of sunshine in lots of areas in Portugal. For people coming from major cities around the world, London, Paris, Berlin, this is a major reset to their life. Then of course, there's the property and space available in Portugal. And you can still buy a house here for the same price as a parking space in London. Whether you're looking for that country retreat, the quinta, and grow some vegetables and have that rural, quiet lifestyle, or whether you're looking for the beaches and adrenaline activities like surfing, kiteboarding, windsurfing, it's all available in Portugal. And with remote working becoming more and more popular, it means you don't have to live in a major city. You can live away from it all, yet still be working abroad online. The cost of living is another big one. Living here buying local produce is cheaper than most other countries in Europe. Yeah, there are things that are more expensive, imported goods, electricity and services, but generally the cost of living is good here. The main pricing index I go off all the time is how much is a beer. And in the local places around me, it's about €1.30, €1.40 for a big bottle of beer. You can live well here without spending a lot of money. So get a great lifestyle and a low cost of living. Portugal is one of the safest countries in Europe. There is very little crime here in the rural areas. I'm not talking so much about the big cities like Lisbon and Porto, but all the areas that we've lived since we've been here is a very low crime rate. We very rarely lock our car if we go out. Also, another big bonus about Portugal is the community and the local people. They are so welcoming and want to help you out as much as you can. They always end a conversation with, "If there's anything I can help you with, please let me know." You feel safe, welcome, and a part of something real. Since 2020, Portugal has become a major hub for remote workers and digital nomads. I mean, why not? With the lifestyle, the sunshine, the beaches, it is going to attract them here. In the major cities, there are big communities of creative workers, the nomads. It brings a lot of fresh blood into the country to help promote it and grow the country. The kind of lifestyle the nomad wants is easy, cheap, and a beautiful way to live. But it's not all sunshine and pastel de nata. The bureaucracy here is a little bit of a problem. You have to be a lot more patient and get yourself more organized. Everything takes longer in Portugal, whether that's applying for permits or planning permission or just getting workers in to do construction work. It's a slower pace of life here, and you have to expect that when you work with the locals. Be patient and have time for the people and be polite. Whether you're coming to invest, retire, or live here, Portugal is an amazing country to relocate to. So this is why people are moving to Portugal. And if you're looking to make that move, please reach out and we can help you with our consultancy services for any part of this. We're happy to help. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.